This is a manually operated horizontal boring machine. It was custom built. The gentleman who designed it and built it was an engineer. It's very, very nicely built. All linear bearings, stroke and a side-to-side travel. Underneath here you have stops that can set if you want to drill more than one hole. Push it in. Next one, push it in. As it sits right now, it has about 7.5 inches of stroke. So if you had a long enough bit here, you could drill through a board 7.5 inches long as it sits. Now you could remove this fence and put the fence on the back side where it was originally designed to be anyway, and actually get another 3/4 of an inch of stroke. As it sits right now, the maximum dimension from the tabletop to the center of the bit is 2¼ inches. But if you would flip these shaft mounts over, just 4 of them, they're offset, you would gain another inch. So your maximum from the tabletop to the center of the bit could be as much as 3¼ inches. And that would be a pretty easy thing to do. Just 4 mounting blocks. Make sure that when you now have the center down here somewhere, you need to have enough clearance under the shaft for this. It looks to be, measures out to be about the same amount you would have. Worst case is you might have to put an 1/8 inch spacer or something here, so you'd end up being just shy of 3¼ inches from your bit center to your tabletop. It's a pretty slick machine. Very, very well built, strong, lots of adjustment. Your adjustment on your table is here. The whole thing can be adjusted for your squareness to your head. Here's your lock for your spindle raising and lowering. There's a cam clamp here that can swing, goes in and out. It's a pretty slick machine. Has a 230 volt, 230/460 volt motor, 1.5 horsepower.